Hello and welcome to the Pragyan Teacher Tutorial. Whether you're in a classroom, teaching hybrid, or fully online, your goal is the same: helping students learn better and feel more confident. That's where Pragyan steps in, your all-in-one academic assistant, designed to make teaching smarter and student learning easier. In this session, I'll walk you through every key feature of Pragyan and show you how to use it to simplify your teaching and supercharge your students' learning. Let's get started. Let's begin with the core of Pragyan, Ask Pragyan. This feature is the heart of everything. Why? Because it solves doubts. Any subject. Anytime. No waiting. No wrong answers. Here's how you use it. First, choose your subject. Without this, the AI won't know where to look. Science? Math? Choose it. Ask your question in 3 ways. Type it. Speak it, just click the mic. Or upload an image. Type it. Click here to type your question. Type your question. Then click on search button. Wait, clear answers with step-by-step explanations, anytime, anywhere. Speak it. Just click the mic. Click here to ask your question. Tap Speak is perfect for anyone who thinks faster than they type. Just tap the mic, speak your question, and let Pragyan do the rest. It converts voice into text and gives you an instant, accurate solution. Fast, easy, and ideal for all learning styles, especially younger students or those who struggle with typing. Upload an image. Click here for upload an image. Just open Pragyan, tap Ask Pragyan, and select Snap Upload. Click a picture of your question from a book, notebook, or worksheet, or upload one from your gallery. Crop if needed. Hit submit, and within seconds, you'll get a step-by-step solution with the option to save or listen to the answer. Simple, fast, and super helpful, especially for math and science questions. Here's the magic of Pragyan. Stuck on a question? Just click View Source and boom, see the exact insert page where the answer came from. No guesswork, no confusion, straight from your syllabus, just like your teacher teaches it. Just watched a concept video. With Interact with Pragyan, get an instant summary and practice questions right after. No more switching tabs. Watch, revise, and test, all in one flow. We go to Interact with Pragyan. Need help understanding a topic? Just type it in, like what is kinematics? Pragyan instantly shows you the most relevant educational videos, no ads, no distractions, just pure learning. Watch the video right inside the app. No need to switch tabs or get lost on YouTube. Now, click Select. This is where the magic begins. You get a clear, bullet point summary of the entire video, simple, sharp, and to the point. And here's the best part, Pragyan also gives you smart, auto-generated questions based on the video. It's the ultimate way to learn, revise, and test, all in one place. Interact with Pragyan and turn every video into a complete learning experience. Learning without testing is like running without direction. Enter mock tests, your practice hub. Here's what to do. Here's what to do. Click on mock test. Choose your subject or exam, NET, G, CBSE. It's all there. Take the test. It's timed, real, and smart, just like the actual exam. Submit it when you're done. Now watch this. Pragyan instantly gives you a detailed performance report. See your strong and weak chapters. Check subject-wise scores to know where you stand. Analyze your accuracy, speed, and attempt quality. And yes, get personalized recommendations to improve your marks. It's not just a test, it's a complete prep tool designed to make every attempt smarter than the last. So, next time you take a test, make sure it's with Pragyan. What comes after a test? A plan. A smart one. Study Assist reads your latest test and creates a strategy just for you. Click Study Assist. Pragyan checks your last score and gaps. Builds a day-wise revision plan. Suggests what videos to watch. Gives topics to retry. Sends reminders. Every learner should build their own bank of tricky questions. It helps identify weak areas, strengthens memory, and makes revision more effective. Just click Save on any question. Found a great question? Just click Save. Use it later for quick revision, anytime, anywhere. Teachers can turn saved questions into custom quizzes in seconds. And parents? They can track progress and see where support is needed. One simple tap, smarter learning, better results. Only on Pragyan. Reading not enough? Now, you can listen to any answer on Pragyan. Perfect when you're tired of screens or want to revise while multitasking. It's like having a personal tutor in your pocket, anytime, anywhere. Just tap the speaker icon. Great for audio learners who retain better by listening. Makes it easier to grasp long or complex explanations without eye strain. Perfect for learning on the go, during a walk, commute, or even while resting. Supports revision through repetition. Just play it again anytime. Helps reduce screen fatigue while still staying productive. Tired of writing the same notes again and again? Save your notes once on Pragyan, reuse them anytime, with any batch. Add explanations, diagrams, and even links to videos. Share directly with students in seconds. Update anytime, no need to start from scratch. Click Teacher Notes. Teachers, here's how you can save hours of prep time with Pragyan. Step 1. Choose your subject, chapter, and topic. Step 2. Click Generate Notes. And just like that, Pragyan gives you everything you need. Key concepts. Important formulas. Diagrams explained in simple words. Common doubts students usually ask. Download them, use them in class, or share directly with your students. Imagine creating a test in 30 seconds. with just a few clicks on Pragyan. Select the topic. Set difficulty level. Choose number of questions. And boom, your test is ready. Go to Ask Topic-wise Test. Select the subject and chapter. Pick the number, difficulty, and type of questions. Click Generate, and you're done. Your test is ready to assign in seconds. Pragyan isn't just AI. It's your AI. For every doubt, every topic, every exam, for every teacher who wants to do more, and every student who wants to become unstoppable. Start using it today, not someday. Because the future of learning is not coming, it's already here. And its name is Pragyan.